Now let's talk about dividing integers. Okay, dividing integers is basically very similar or the same as multiplication of integers. Okay, first of all, let's have a look at the multiplication of integers. Now, if we have two positive numbers, you get a positive. If you have a negative and a positive number, then you should get a negative. Oh, there's a bit of a mistake there. Okay, now let's talk about dividing integers. Okay, now when dividing integers, basically it's the same as multiplying integers. Okay, so if their signs are the same, then you will always get a positive answer. And if their signs are different, then your answer is negative. Now, when you're doing division of integers, just remember that any division statement you can write that as a fraction, and then you can simplify. For example, negative 12 divided by 12, that's the initial statement there. You can write that as a fraction, and then we simplify. 4 goes into 12 3 times, so there's your answer. The answer is 3. And following the rules, if we have two negative numbers being divided by each other, then the answer is positive. Okay, so to summarize that in a table, if you have a positive divided by another positive number, you will get a positive. If you have a negative and a negative number, then you will get a positive answer. If the signs of the two numbers that you are dividing are both different, then your answer will be negative. So let's do more example here. So another example is this. If I have, for example, 2 divided by 2, don't forget we can write that down as fraction like this, and they're both positive, so your answer is positive. Then we can simplify. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Or if you have something like this, negative 6 divided by negative 3, don't forget you can write that as a fraction. There you go. And then we're dividing a negative number by a negative number, so our answer will be positive, and 6 divided by 3 is 3. However, if one of the numbers, either the numerator or the denominator, okay, let's have an example here, negative 12 divided by 4. Okay, if, for example, any of the numbers, either the numerator or the denominator, are different, okay, your answer would always be negative. So there's the negative, and then negative 12 divided by 4, and that gives you a negative 3.